guys, so today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe of mixed veg frittata. This frittata is easily one of our favorite weekend breakfasts. There are many variations of frittata which I will be sharing with you eventually, but today I'm going to be sharing with you our favorite. We always reach for this recipe on a nice weekend brunch. So without any further ado, let's go to the recipe. For this frittata recipe, you need chopped onions, chopped half orange bell pepper, half thinly sliced potato, half tomato chopped, and one big handful of baby spinach. You'll also be needing 6 eggs. To that, add 1/4 cup of milk, salt, pepper, and grated Parmesan oregano cheese. You can also add some garlic powder and mix well. Now saute the onions in 1 teaspoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add in the potatoes. Saute well and cover and cook for the cooking process to be much faster. Once the potatoes are golden in color, add the bell peppers. Saute well. When you hear the nice sizzling sound, this is the time you add in the tomatoes and the baby spinach. The spinach really takes few seconds to wilt down. The veggies look perfect at this point, and now you want to spread the veggies evenly on the pan and add in the egg mixture. Now I'm slowly bringing the liquid from the edges to the center, and I'm repeating the process until I don't see the liquid anymore. Add some more grated cheddar and close the lid for the cheese to nicely melt. The edges look firm and the bottom looks brown. Now I'm going to transfer the mixture to an oven baking dish, and you can use the same pan if you have oven safe pan. And grate some more Parmesan cheese and broil it for 3 to 4 minutes until you see some brown color on the top. Look at that, our frittata is ready and it looks beautiful. It almost looks like a pizza, and I just can't wait to dig in. This is such a favorite breakfast of ours. We love it, especially for the holidays, and I hope you try this recipe, and if you did, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next recipe very soon. Bye bye.